Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our Dream You channel. Now I am going to tell you about Godrej 185L Direct Cool Single Door 3-star refrigerator. First, I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 185L, compressor type reciprocatory compressor, performance type 3-star which saves your energy up to 35%. Direct cool, which means economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator, user manual, warranty card. Type single door, refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator. Defrosting type direct cool. Number of doors 1. Warranty 1 year on refrigerator and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 12,490 rupees only. To get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our DreamView channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.